Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Vibrant Media. Today we are going to unbox two items, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. It's mystic bronze in color and 256 GB space, 8 GB RAM. Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra are the latest release of Samsung. Its price is 4,000 Qatari riyals for the phone and 500 for the earbuds. Now let us start unboxing. This is the color. There is a SIM eject tool here. Let's look what's inside. And some user manual. Let's go to the next side. On this side of the box there is a charger. And its wire, also a earphone. These phones come with a pen. This is the same color, mystic bronze color. Now let's go to the Buds Live. This is also mystic bronze in color. Let's open it. There is a cable. We have to connect the charger here. There is a hole. It's also having a user manual. Let's open it. Next video onwards, we will shoot using this Note 20. Hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and comment. Also subscribe. Bye. Thank you.